Now let's look at the next question. It says, I have an H-1B extension that was approved effective October 1st, but I'm traveling in July. I may not receive the new I-797A before departure. Can I re-enter using my current H-1B, and will it affect my extension? Well, that's a great question, and it's one that creates a lot of anxiety for H-1B holders. Based on the facts that you have shared, your current H-1B visa stamp and your current H-1B approval, they remain valid until September 30th. So since you are leaving on July and returning on July 1st and returning on, I think, I don't know, when you are returning, hopefully it's within 30 days, you are seeking re-entry while your current H-1B is still valid. So generally speaking, re-entering the US before September 30th using your H-1B visa and current approval notice should not automatically invalidate your separately approved H-1B extension, the one that becomes effective October 1st. But if possible, travel with your current I-797 approval notice, your passport, your visa stamp, your recent employment verification letter, and any copy of the new approval notice that your attorney can provide for you for the trip. One thing I always tell my clients is this: after you return to the US, you want to immediately check your electronic, the CBP website for your electronic I-94 record so that you can confirm that your information is accurate. Sometimes while you are coming back in, the officer at the point of entry could make a mistake in classifying you, which could become a big problem later. I've seen a few of that. Is why I also advise my clients now, don't assume that officer put the correct classification for you. You want to check their system, see the classification they gave you, because if there's a problem, so that you can start solving it before maybe you're trying to apply for green card or trying to change to something else, in which case that can derail it and cost you months and years of pain. As always, because travel can have a specific case consequence, especially when a new approval has recently been issued in your own case, I strongly recommend reviewing your plans with your employer's immigration attorney, if your employer has one. Most employers who do H-1B now, they have an immigration attorney that work with them. Make sure you have a meeting with him before you leave. So basically, based on the information you have given me, your travel should not automatically cancel or invalidate your October 1 H-1B extension, but make sure that you carry proper documentation and verify your I-94 after you have re-entered. That's assuming that you really have to go. If you don't have to go, my advice, don't go nowhere. Okay. Hopefully, that gives you some clarity a little bit on what you are trying to do.